Why every college girl should do freelancing? The concept of freelancing is no more unknown to teens and young adults these days. When you get into the freelancing industry as an undergrad, the profession simply launches in the correct direction as the establishment is set down for future development. This, along with several different reasons, is the reason we feel that each Pakistani college student needs to do freelancing. Give the if you are a college alum, searching reasons with regards to why you should begin freelancer, or a parent to a college alum who want their child to concentrate on something useful before advanced education. Number 1. Investigate your abilities. After graduating from your college school, you will have a lot of time in your grasp to go through various types of freelancing positions, what abilities the business expects from you, websites, and offers. There is such a lot of variety. Individuals search for writers, artists, programmers, website designers, graphic designers, and more. This actually intends that there is a higher opportunity of you finding something that boosts your attention instead of adhering to the traditional positions. 1. Tech skills. To do successful freelancing on various platforms, understudies need to get familiar with tech expertise that can be offered online. A common instance of arising tech abilities are web development, software development, graphic designing, multimedia, digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, video editing, animation, voice over, data entry, virtual assistant. 2. Soft skills. One of the essential justifications for why students don't succeed at freelancing is on the grounds that they need communication abilities like relational abilities. On the off chance that you cannot pass your perspective on to your client, you cannot win their business. Correspondence expertise stays at the very front of any communication ability for freelancing. Close by relational abilities, monetary abilities, and client the executives shows up quite far as well. Number 2. Master your skills. Whenever you have observed your inclinations, you can start gradually with almost no experience and afterward clear your approach to expertly picking it. There are sites like Upwork, Guru, or Fiverr that charge a commission expense right away. However, at that point, the more you work, the less cash you pay. For instance, the commission expense begins from 20% of the first $500 note and continuously decreases as you earn more. Number 3. Work from home. That carries us to our next point, acquiring through work from home. No issue of leaving at the beginning of the day for work and returning home in the evening, which in any case doesn't sound worth the effort for a college alum. You can be independent at a youthful age, with not exactly a large portion of the work, and the best part is, you can work at your own speed. Number 4. Make great resume. After graduating from college, the following stage is applied to universities. In the wake of moving on from your college, you would need to go after an appropriate position. Freelancing in the time you have among school and college will assist you over the long haul. It'll be with making your resumes and applications stick out. You will have professional training. Number 5. You will always have job security. At the point when you have decided your range of abilities and filled in as a consultant for some time, your future will generally be secure, as there will continuously be bosses and organizations able to give you errands and occupations through freelancing. You won't need to depend on a 9-to-5 task to procure your meat and potatoes. Number 6. Where you can work online. There are so many freelance marketplaces you need to know and where you should go as beginner. Some popular are as follows: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Guru, 99 Design, Logo Guru, and so on. But in our YouTube video we have described briefly. Click on I button. Number 7. Be an entrepreneur. Maybe in the event that you continue to work, you could even have the option to lay out your own firm. You could function as a full-time specialist then, at that point, and you will be the one utilizing different young people who need to introduce their abilities to the world. Isn't unreasonably incredible? Number 8. Time flexibility. The most compelling motivation why school graduates don't go for a temporary occupation subsequent to graduating is that they don't need their work to frustrate their advanced education. Using time productively becomes troublesome when you have some work while still in the scholarly world. That won't be an issue with freelancing in light of the fact that you will be allowed a couple of days to present your work, so inside as far as possible. You can work as indicated by your own timetable. Visit the complete website and enhance your knowledge, generic-knowledge.com. Did you like this? Please tell us in the comments section. Thanks for watching.